Why don't you take a sip and actually do?
Yeah, that's a good one. Actually, have you ever had a client ask you something so wild
Are you joking?
that you almost choked?
That is a question that made me choke.
Hello everyone, this is Angelique Dhamma and I'm pleased to welcome Noreen and Kumpal. Welcome to the show today. We're going to ask you some very tricky questions and let's see what you have to tell us.
Awesome.
Excited.
If your design style was a cocktail, which one would it be and why?
I think espresso martini.
Okay.
It's a little bit of everything.
And how about you? What is your cocktail?
For me, I think it's picante.
Really?
A minimal maximal approach or a maximal minimal approach.
However you see it.
Yeah, but I
Once you have the drink.
yeah.
Have you ever had a client ask you something that's really wild?
This was the best one was I never thought a client would come up to me and say that, hey, you take care of the designs, I'll take care of the money.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
Said it to my
That
dad.
is a
And I
great
was
one.
like, what? I'm like, wow, yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I'm in for this right now. And that was, I think, super wine for me.
And
Yeah.
don't forget that you're never forgotten. Because you know, even after you're long gone from that project, they still remember you for this and that. Yeah.
Every door that they open, if it doesn't show something, no rain. Could have done this better. Every morning.
Okay, which is your favorite design rule to break?
Do we have rules?
Do you?
Do we have to follow?
Oh, isn't there?
Just a boss.
We don't believe in following any rules.
What is the most underrated color in the design world? White.
And she uses white a lot.
Okay.
I feel like it's a very misunderstood color.
I think I would say it's black also. I think
So it's
black
white and
is
black.
Very
The yin and
underrated.
the yang.
Yeah.
But yeah, black is also very underrated. Like people are afraid to use.
That's true. What is your secret weapon to deal with an indecisive client?
Invoice.
Have a great contract.
Advance. Invoice in advance. Your dream travel destination?
Morocco lately, actually, I want to go. I want to see design there. You know, like it's the architecture there. So I lately I kind of
Okay.
been thinking.
It's always about current. Yeah. What about you?
I keep thinking about many, but like my heart keeps coming back to Japan, and I've been there like thrice already. But I think one more time wouldn't hurt. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What is that one design element that you judge people for in their homes secretly?
Oh, secretly.
Yeah,
I
secretly.
very openly
No,
judge for mirrors.
Mirrors?
Yeah,
Like mirrors
if,
everywhere?
If somebody like yeah,
Okay.
I judge people. I mean, people as in
Secretly.
phones, secretly that don't have plants.
Hmm.
I really judge them.
So, what is the most used emoji in your design text?
Maybe it could be like for me, it would be like this looks bomb, or like you know that lit emoji.
Yeah.
Just like oh the space is looking lit, or you know
Great.
Gen Z language.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and now that I'm thinking about it, I don't really use emojis for my team in any way, except for the red heart when they actually do well.
If you want an interior designer, what would you be?
Oh wait.
A vet.
Wow, that's
So-
like very quick. Maybe a therapist because interior designers anyway are one. So I think
Yeah, I think she gives me a
therapist.
lot of therapy. So.
Yeah, a therapist possible.
Okay. So, one piece of advice that you'd give your younger self?
I am still retain the vibes that you get in your 20s to get more projects.
I would say the opposite. I would say please color your hair. You know, because I don't want white hair. I'm not ready for it.
Okay. What about you?
I would tell my younger self not to take life too seriously.
One Gen Z slang that you'd love to use?
Fit check.
Okay.
No, I think it's this hand gesture. Millennials used to do this, and now we do this.
I don't even remember
And
millennials doing this.
No, we you know, it was like a normal thing to
You did this?
think about. No, you see these reels, no, and then this is going on. And recently, somebody in my office taught me this to this. Like this is art and this is heartbreak.
Okay.
And I
Wow.
found this that cute. On like I was like, wow, like so yeah.